picture of everything in my closet to put onto an app. I found this one, I think I like it, called Index. I'll put the spelling on the screen. Truly, I do have the condition of out of sight, out of mind, and I feel like with my closet, that's a very detrimental thing because I end up just not wearing stuff because it's like, I get fixated on one thing because it's in front of my face. And then I go between it, and especially with how my closet layout is now, since so many of them need to be hidden now, like under my bed or whatever, I feel like it's making it even harder for me to get dressed because I just can't remember what are my options. And I just haven't been wearing, like clothes that are making me feeling like I haven't been feeling super good in my clothes because I just feel like I've been wearing the same thing over and over again. It's okay, but I think that this will be a better solution. And I really would just like to make the most out of what I have and feel good about that. It's a Friday night. I have a friend who's gonna come here and then we're going to a Michael Hurley concert, which I'm so excited for. I'm playing him. Let me pause it actually. I didn't go to the store today, but I wanted to make like a fun little cocktail for when she comes over before we leave. And I'm trying to be more resourceful, like what's in my cabinet? How are we making fun things out of that? I have dried rose petals, so I'm gonna make a rose simple syrup and then add that to like whatever classic gin and tonic vibe. So it's like a little elevated piece. Inspired me to come downstairs and clean out my...
Until I couldn't anymore.
Sorry, you're kind of backlit right now. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. Portable, which I really like. So I can just move it around the house for some extra light. I've been watching a lot of Paige Lassel's videos, and she was talking about kitchen lamps and like how nice it is to have a lamp in the kitchen, and that inspired me when they sent those over. I was like, oh, I want the portable one so I can like have it in my kitchen. Take 2 at the sourdough. This is the auto lease. We're gonna cover it.
Fight the bartender. You threatened to burn the place down. Is someone?
Dream coming true.
I spent last night making sourdough bread and I got the timing wrong, and then I ended up baking bread at like 1 a.m. Didn't turn out how I wanted it to, but better than the last loaf, and that's all you can ever ask for. This morning, my neighbor Phil is coming down and we're gonna have coffee. It's Valentine's Day. Oh, it's Valentine's Day. I didn't even think about that yet. But he helped me move a table down here yesterday, and he's my friend, and that's nice. So we're just gonna have coffee and sit at my new table, and that sounds nice. So I'm making coffee, and I'm gonna put out some oranges and maybe some toast. Though I'm not the most proud of this loaf, but we're getting there. I'm gonna put... Very cute. Should I put that in a bigger one?
Yeah, she opened him up. Some 50 horses hot. Got to keep never open.
Wait. That's a good amount.
Cool. Whoa. What?
We're night watching with we're night watching Jenny.
Teaching how to night watch.
Wait, come here. Look at this. Look at the screen.
Oh, wait, whoa, that's crazy. Okay, good morning vlog. We need to go on a walk. I need to get back on my walking to soothe my soul. And then later, I think I'm going to a Harlem Globetrotters game with my friend Kelsey. Follows life. So gonna get a walk in, go do that, then come home, work. It's Sunday. Also deep clean my house. This house needs a deep clean. Maybe we'll do that together. I just set up my boxing bag. I'm listening to this podcast. Aubrey Marcus interviewing Rick Rubin. It's pretty good. Today has been so nice. It's starting to feel like spring, which is really exciting. I feel so nostalgic. Every year, January through like March, I have the most nostalgia for LA. Like it just reminds me of when I first moved here, and I feel like I just get so excited and everything like feels new again, kind of. The past few days that it's been sunny and like warm just feels so nice. I'm so excited to be in this house. I got my table. I don't know if I shared that, but that's been nice to just utilize the outdoor space. I just kept on digging my holes down there. I'm like trying to flatten out some of the space I have around my yard, so I can kind of turn it into like a little workout area, I think, because I do have like kind of land around my house. A garden's gonna go somewhere, we don't know yet. A lot of ups and downs this month. February was a blur. I had a lot of fun. I like saw my friends a lot, which I needed creatively. I think I needed to feel like I was living life again. It does feel recharging, but it also is tiring. So trying to find that balance, you know. But yeah, really nice day. Really nice day. It's so nice. Doing Sunday cleaning. I'm gonna reorganize my kitchen because when I moved in, I just like got everything into the cabinets, but definitely did not do a perfect job at like where things need to be. I just want to make sure everything's in like the best, organized in the best way to be useful, because I'm finding that certain things shouldn't be where they are, which I've been meaning to do. It's been on my to-do list. Took my trash out because I'm so good. I moved around, I forgot to show you. I had my spices like down here, which was just really annoying, so I moved like medical and supplements and stuff down there, like the things I don't reach for that much. So then I put spices and like baking stuff up here because I had the baking stuff over there, but I don't use baking stuff that much, so it's like better to have it all in one. Okay, I'm watching Survivor. New season, first episode. Seems like we just had a season, so I'm kind of stoked that there's already another season. You are gonna catch my ass on Survivor one day, I swear to God. I'm gonna be on it. I need to audition. I actually think I'm gonna audition. I can't believe it's already almost March. The beginning of the new year. It's a new year starting in March. Tell me something nice about your day in the comments below. I would like to read it and hear about your day. And otherwise, or like something cute happening, like do you have anything for me? Otherwise, I'll see you all in the next one. Should be back on a good video schedule, but I've also been working on some secret projects, which is chaos, that I'm hopefully starting to finish up. But yeah. Illy.